Thousands of Venezuelans living in Houston were days away from losing their legal status, including their ability to work and stay here in the U.S. But a federal judge just ruled to keep protections in place. KPRC2's Ricky Munoz breaks down what the decision means and what's next in the legal fight.
This centers around temporary protected status, or TPS, which allows people from certain countries to work and live legally in the United States. But this week, a judge is keeping that protection for Venezuelans, but that case is far from over. Roughly 350,000 Venezuelan TPS holders were set to lose legal status this month. Work permits on April 3rd and deportation protection on April 7th. But this past Monday, a federal court put that on hold, answering many Venezuelans' prayers. Fortunately, everything turned out well for us. Thank you for all of that and for being able to feel more at ease for a little while. The ruling comes out of a federal court in California, where a judge sided with civil rights groups who sued, arguing the Biden administration attempted to walk back protections that was unlawful and discriminatory. I reached out to several Texas representatives, and Texas Representative Randy Weber says that a TPS was never meant to be permanent, and he also says that Venezuela has already improved. He states that while I sympathize with family facing uncertainty, the solution isn't a judicial activism. It's enforcing the law as written and securing our borders.
There are people that work in jobs, in services, in industry, and they pay taxes.
Hector Chavez came into the U.S. seeking safety. Now a business owner in Katy, he says the judge's decision not only brings relief, but hopes that Venezuelans can be seen for whom they really are. And they understand us, and they take the time to get to know us a little. Maybe yes, undeniably, many come and do no harm, and some do. There are many of us who are doing good. Still, immigration attorney John Hayes says this protection is only temporary, and Venezuelans should be planning ahead.
The risk of deportation is always there. If you're illegal here, if you don't have your papers, ICE will come after you and will deport you if it is proven that you don't have the ability to stay here legally. In order to do that, you have to get educated, as I mentioned before, get informed.
As immigration laws are changing day by day, the best option for you is to stay informed and educated. I have Representative Weber's full statement on clicktohouston.com. Reporting in Katy, Ricky Munoz, KPRC 2 News.